Hi, good morning everyone. So we are in a village called Pernilla, Pernilla, little hamlet, and we are here in the Murcia region. If you ever wanted to rebuild your life in a new part of Spain, this would be it. We're 20 minutes from beaches, 30 minutes from the Murcia International Airport. We have a lovely traditional property to show you. Now it looks little. I said a little property. It's not. It goes way back. It's like a TARDIS. So I can't wait to show you this. It is a renovation project, but you could still live in it because as we go through, it does get better, and you could stay in it as you were doing it up. All right. So I'm going to bring you through. You've got your blackout blinds and your wreckers on the windows, as you can see. Lovely traditional Spanish properties all around. Got a couple of steps up, and this is one of those doors that have the window on it. Okay. Oh, just open that up so you can see where you're going. So just in the hallway here you have a radiator, and as you can see further on we have radiators as well. This is one of the rooms, has radiators, but I'm just going to show you up above. I can hear you gasp, but it is a renovation project and it would be ideal for anyone who wanted to start. Some of the property is fine, okay? So I'm just going to take you through quickly to show you some of the rooms quickly. And you have your wreckers and blinds on the windows, and you've got these lovely tiles below. Okay, so this is the first two rooms. Going through the archway here, and just in here, this room seems fine. Okay, that's the ceiling of this room. I'm going to pan around. There's a lot of house to show you, so I'm just going to quickly go through it. If you want to view this property, just have a look at info at tolettobuy.com. In here is your bathroom. You've got this lovely big frosted window, your radiators, your WC, lovely tile around here, and you've got your sink and vanity unit, as you can see there. Just there you've got a shower and you've got a cupboard for storage, okay? So I'm going to carry on and take you through. So as we come through, as you can see, this room has started to get some renovation. You have double glazed window there with the new wreckers, okay? And that's the floor. There is some building materials that will be staying with the property, and I'll show you that as we go. And that is the ceiling just above. Okay, I'm just going to take you in here through this archway. You can see that the archway is in place. You just need to finish off. All right, so you got wires and sockets and everything. I'm not a builder, so you'd know yourself, right? And then again you have another window finished off there with double glazing and blackout blinds. You don't need to replace the floor because the floor is fine, and it's just a matter of plastering and that. So just here you have some steps, and this is like to a front door here, and you've got a window there, okay? And that's just outside. So, carry on through now. Quite high ceilings as well in here. I don't know if I showed you the ceilings. All right. Now just bring you up here, and just here you have doors out through the next area. You've got your electric box there, and just here you have an area that could be your utility room. You got your washing machine, and it's all ready to go there. Okay, I'm just going to bring you outside into the courtyard for a moment. So I've just come out into the courtyard. Now this would make a lovely area. You could even put a pool in here if you wanted to. Just over here, this is storage, but you have got a boiler in here. All right, looks a brand new boiler. Got room for log storage there. And of course, just over here, you got another boiler here. You don't need both boilers. You can one be sufficient for the whole house. Okay, so another storage area. Now you have enough roof tiles here. There's over £1,000 worth of tiles and all the building materials will be staying with the property. In here is the garage, so if you just let me get through this lot, and I'll get in there now and show you. Now this is just the garage in here, so it makes a great workshop. So it's very handy, especially when you're doing the renovations, all right? Now I'm going to just bring you back in through. We'll have a look. I'm going to enter the best part of the house so far. So I'm just coming in here now, guys, and you've got a lovely kitchen area. As you can see, plenty of top and base units in here. Nice butler sink, granite or marble worktops there, all fully tiled, and it's a really nice kitchen. So the kitchen you could live with until you got the rest of the house renovated, and just over in the far corner there you have a log burner. So this part of the property doesn't really need touching. This is one room that could be left. And you've got the staircase. Now I'm going to bring you upstairs. The staircase is lovely. These lovely tiles, terracotta, and this nice design underneath there. If you can see that. So I'm going to take you at the top of the stairs, guys. Now, I'm just at the top of the stairs, guys. That's the staircase itself. Right, and this leads into a bedroom just here. In here you have, again, you have your radiator, you have your door out onto a terrace, insect screens. So you could basically live here while you're renovating. Got these large double wardrobes, and you have, of course, ceiling light and fan. Okay, just going to show you something in the wardrobe that I was shown earlier. Now, there is another cupboard beyond this. So you got more storage in there, okay? So we've got another room at the back of the wardrobe. A really large wardrobes. Now in here is another bathroom. So of course this is going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property, and it's fully finished. You have your shower there, just here. It's all fully tiled, very nicely done. You got your WC. You got a mirror there, your frosted glass window, and a nice vanity unit there. And of course you got your radiator at the back of the door. Alright, so I'm going to take you back in here. I'm going to show you the terrace out here now. So I love these traditional Spanish doors, you know, they look lovely. Stiff. So this is a nice area if you want to sunbathe or sit. All you have to do is finish it off. It just needs some tiling, nice balustrade, and overlooking the courtyard down below, you know. I'd probably put some tiles around the walls in the courtyard there, and like I said, you could put a small pool in there. This is a nice private area for anybody as well. So let me take you back inside. Someone over there has done a nice wooden base with the nice stone area over there. Do something similar. So, back inside. So, what do you think of this property, guys? It is a great area for development, right? It's absolutely wonderful for development. This property is in a little hamlet in Spain. It's not far from Campsall, where you have all the amenities you want. It's about 10-15 minute drive, to be fair, and you've got everything there that you possibly could need. You're about 20-25 minutes from the beaches here, and you're about 30 minutes, if less, from Murcia International Airport. You're in the heart of Spain, in a lovely Spanish hamlet, like I said. Half of the house is already done. You could live in half of the house while you were doing the rest up. So ideal for anyone who wants to start a new life in Spain. So do contact us, info@lettoseltobuy.com. We will leave the reference number of this property below. So when you're contacting us, don't forget to put the reference number of the property as well as your contact details. So until the next time, hasta luego. Take care. Have an amazing day, guys.